welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and you are at We Are Jainas. So as you already know that I have been selected as a K-influencer for this year 2024. This is my second mission video. The first one was exploring the concept of Math of Korea, and the second one is exploring and understanding the concept of Hyung of Korea. So what exactly is Hyung? Hyung literally translates to fun and excitement. So as I'm excited to make this video, similar to that. So in this first part of this video, I'll explore the games of Korea, the traditional games, and even the modern games of Korea. So you must have heard about the game Budo, or if you haven't heard of it, you must have seen it in K-dramas. So it's a very, very popular traditional game which is also known as Go, G-O, Go. So if you have seen K-dramas like Captivating the King, Glory, and even Tales of the Ninth Tale, you must have seen the actors playing those games. It's a traditional board games where there are two pebbles of different colors, not different colors but black and white. So you have to make a strong border to win the game. It's very strategic game and very requires very mental peace, and yeah, it's a very intelligent game, out of my league. So yeah, so that's a traditional game I really want to play, but obviously I don't know how to play, but I'll learn eventually how to play that game. So that is the first traditional game. Second one is Dakchi. So Dakchi, if you have seen Squid Games, okay, firstly the Squid Games was all about games, okay, so it was a perfect movie, like a perfect blend of games and strategy and whatnot. It was very fun. So if you haven't seen, please go and see that movie, the K-drama. It's very nice. So I'll show you the clip of the Dakchi, okay? Please see. Okay, so the third game is Nyultagi. So I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So Nyultagi is a seesaw game, okay? So but what happened is normally in seesaw we sit on the players sit on the either side of the seesaw, right? But in this the player stands on the seesaw and they jump. So it's very dangerous firstly, and I think it's very exciting also. So if you know this game, if you have seen Mr. Queen, okay, Mr. Queen is a wonderful drama, you should see that. So in that K-drama, the queen plays that game, and it looks very promising. The game looks very interesting for me at least. Okay, so these are I'll show you the clip. Here are the clip. Okay, so that about the traditional game. That is only what I know about the traditional games. If you know more, please comment down below so that I can explore that as well. Okay, so next we go to the modernization of the game. Okay, so how many of you have seen the famous Guardian movie, the Guardian K-drama? It's also known as Goblin. Okay, it's my favorite. It's my favorite. Okay, so if you have seen Business Proposal, if you have seen I'm only talking about the legend here, okay? If you have seen there are many K-dramas where they shoot at Lotte World. You must remember Lotte World. So what is Lotte World? Lotte World is an adventure park, it's an adventure place where there are a lot of activities, lot of games, and lot of rides, yeah. So but one thing about Lotte World that is different from other adventure park is in Lotte World it is not mandatory, but it is believed that you should always go wearing your school uniform, and that is so cute. So I think next time I'm visiting So when I visit Korea, Lotte World will be my first destination wearing their school uniform. So it's a must go to place in Korea. Okay, so nowadays that's the modernization of games. Like we go to rides and we played in arcade. So what I think is you must have seen those in K dramas, as I said. It's also in Secretary Kim. What's wrong with Secretary Kim? It's also in that. So what I did was I tried some of their games, like the arcade games, like the claw machine and the basketball throwing thing one game. And of course I didn't get anything out of it. It was just enjoyment for me because I failed miserably in claw machine. So never mind, but it was fun and excitement for me. So I'll show you some clips so that you can also see and enjoy with me.
좋았어. Very good.
So as you can see in the video, I didn't even manage to get one small teddy bear. I'm very bad at it, but I enjoyed it. I loved it. It was very fun and very interesting, very exciting for me. And that's what Yung is. Yung means excitement. It means fun, and that's what I had during that time, during playing that games. It was little disappointment that I didn't get anything, but it was fun for me. So this is how I explore the meaning of Hyung of Korea in my first part of this video through games. So yes, I hope you understand mostly the most part of the Hyung of Korea. And that's it for today. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And I have given my 105% to this video, so please support me in my journey, and I'll be coming back with the second video.